That's what I want to hear. No bullshit from everybody talking about, oh, I don't have no buying power. So,
Yep.
never mind.
No.
So don't full port today. I like two things today. Teslito and Mivito. I'm pretty sure me and George got the same watch list.
You actually don't like
I'm
Meta?
not gonna Netflix and chill with you, so don't ask me about Netflix. Meta, no. Oh, but we still got some time.
I think Frankie has a different main watch from us.
Yeah,
What?
I'll Netflix and chill probably, but I'm not.
No, I'm not. I don't. What?
I'm
What
talking
is
about crowd. I'm talking about crowd.
That's a side watch list, bro. You think I care about that stuff?
Y'all would wait for 581 on Meta and not try it at 582.
Benji, why do I want to try it at 582?
Well, if we throw it on the 50.
Nah, I'm playing. Nah, I thought about it too. On a Friday though, I don't think I can afford to take that risk. That's the only issue I see.
581 would definitely be safer.
Yeah. Maybe, or even that I was thinking like that 50-40 cent area. That's where we had two previous rejections.
Or if we bounced off 582 and then retried it,
Yo,
something like that.
TD Bank got hit with the biggest fraud charges ever yesterday.
Yo, I saw that.
You know what's crazy? We should have known about Tesla, bro. Like this should have been a swing from all of us. Yo, this just fucking broke.
You know who mentioned it?
Pablo.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
Who?
I said maybe, but no. The one that mentioned it was he didn't mention the swing, but he mentioned what was gonna be happening. Kunal did.
Yeah, Kunal, but like, even like thinking about it, like the hype is supposed to be before the event. Like the whole point, even like with iPhones when they're announcing, like everybody knows what the robotaxi event is gonna be, and the stock couldn't even stay up. And then Pablo sent the two big orders that came in, for like 6 million a pop. Literally the other day when we were trading it, and we came out, we did a great trade on it the other day. Remember when we played it, or something?
Yeah.
I think it was 2 days ago.
Yeah, it was a nice play.
Yeah, but then Pablo sent those orders in. It's all right. These contracts did like 500% overnight.
I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna be looking at 215s, huh? Or are you gonna stick to 220s?
Yo, bro, that's annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Especially this right here is annoying too. So, I can't take this off the open. I don't know if Frankie's thinking about that.
My main watch is Nvidia. Tesla's kind of like whatever to me because it's just exhausting everything. I'd rather focus on the setup that's been developing for us.
Bundles is here. He's late.
And the 217.50s are gonna be liquid anyways.
That Apple 230 level looks like it's
Did you close the door?
not too bad. Looks like it's been holding up too.
No. Apple
Nvidia
Apple
going
does
back.
look good at 230. There's a 15-minute wedge. Yeah. I'll send you guys a screenshot. Mario, good job paying attention. That is something good too as well. I'll send a screenshot.
Oh, these Nvidia contracts are cheap.
Look at Tesla.
Friday.
Do you have any sort of recovery play on Tesla, or are you strictly looking to the downside on that?
100% I have a recovery play.
Okay.
Above
Yeah,
225
that's
though, so I don't know.
Because Meta's dying too.
Yeah, but Nvidia's pushing too, so I kind of have my eyes on that.
I think I'm gonna
It's
start
pushing
short
against the
that.
market, yeah. Problem is, these contracts are dirt cheap.
Strictly
They'll probably
135,
be-
right?
Yeah. They'll probably be like $1 by the time we get up there, but as of now, these are brutal.
If they aren't enough, I will play the 134s.
Mm-hmm. Is that wall still there? Yeah, it is. The wall is still there.
You still have, what do you have at open right now? What do you have open?
Me or Frankie?
You.
Same thing. I'm looking at the 134 this though on Nvidia. I don't think these are gonna be expensive enough for me. They're gonna be over $1, but I'm gonna play the 134s. They already have some decent value.
Remember, guys, it is a Friday. Contracts are volatile. I'm looking at them right now, so just keep that in mind.
Tesla's is dying.
SPY just ripped,
Yeah.
and Q is just trying to recover right now.
What's y'all's alert for Nvidia?
Mine's really close, 134.90.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at the 134 calls on Nvidia. Staying in the money. One being it's Friday, and two being the contracts are super cheap. I'm in. A little early. I don't want to miss that though.
I'm gonna have a super tight stop personally because contracts are cheap and I can always get back in. Yeah, I'm personally out.
Yeah, I had a tight stop there too.
I'm personally still on the 135s, so
What, you were looking at the 135s?
those are the ones I ended up taking.
Okay.
So
Yeah, it never hit 90, so I had an early entry. That's why I wanted to try it. You said what? 134s. No. I'll retry it though with everybody. If it comes back to like 134.80, I'll try earlier entry. These contracts dropped. Wow, look at this, 96 cents.
Spy's been pushing here. Tesla's still weak. 215 coming in hot, but I don't think I could switch over fast enough to that.
I'll 14% on Nvidia. It's not bad.
Damn, bruh. So much for that.
Which one?
I was talking about 215 on maybe Tesla, but it just broke right through.
Yeah, those are scary though.
Yeah, I'm not touching that. The little rejection right at 217 into that would have been decent, but oh well. I see how fast Nvidia recovers here. Only thing is, ES has been pushing this whole time.
Yeah, it's not moving with the market though.
Jesus, Nvidia.
So now I'm gonna wait. I want to play at 80 cents this time, but I'm gonna see here how we get up there and how the market gets up there. The market just pulled back, so let's see if we can get a red to green here on the video. That'll be different. Tesla upside for me is at 222. Usually you do get reversals on these days, so do not get greedy on the downside if you're playing or scalping them.
Apple got killed, Benji.
Yeah, bad. Tesla's getting there slowly. That's gonna be a nice recovery play if we get it.
I might switch to Tesla if it starts to pick up any sort of momentum past 218.
You take it before 222?
I'm kind of considering myself 220.
I am too. It's just
Good.
I have to see.
It depends how fast we get up there.
It's tight though. A bear fly could happen around that 220 level, so if we can get some serious momentum there, then maybe.
Let me know when you switch. I still got Nvidia pulled up here.
I'm still on the video as well.
I just know this break on Nvidia can be crazy big.
See that 1 minute trend? I know it's BS trend, but it's there.
It's fine. What'd you say? Yeah, we're still looking at the same contracts. I mean, I am. Market's pushing again.
Don't like where we're at in the market right now.
Mm-hmm.
EES is definitely stronger than NQ. Or has been.
Yeah, Nvidia 134 calls are definitely the right ones. I'm watching these, how they move here. These are above 120 right now.
Tesla's still pushing now without the market.
Yeah, I could make a switch soon.
I want to, it's just Nvidia is so close, bro.
I will make a switch if this gets above 220, gets close to 221.
Seems a lot less wiki at the moment, Tesla.
I still haven't switched yet, George, so I might hear soon though.
Okay,
Now
red
it's
to
starting to-
green.
Yep.
Let's see if we can get anything off of that.
The opening price is still not to 75 though.
NQ red candle and Nvidia didn't get affected by that.
Get green or red on SPY too. Yeah, Nvidia's still holding here. This is good. And Meta's also coming down now too.
A bit of time there on Meta.
Damn, Meta's dropping.
Still dropping.
What is?
Meta.
Meta.
Yeah, that I'm gonna actually make a switch to no matter what Nvidia does.
581, right?
581.40 or like the 50 cent area for me.
Perfect balance on Tesla there for continuation.
Same as Nvidia, red to green. About 40 cent red to green actually. I think it's only, for me, it's only going to be Nvidia or Tesla.
Still early. Ladies and gents, only 11 minutes in.
With Tesla, you're gonna be able to tell like very quick.
Would you be interested still on downside today?
For Tesla,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get it.
ES looks like it wants to continue some upside, and Q looks like it wants to start dropping.
What are we? 12 minutes in, yeah. Wall at 40. There it goes. 50.
Just broke
another
it.
wall.
It's breaking a downtrend right now on the 1 minute.
Yeah, 50 just broke too. There's a wall there.
Yeah, I'm still personally gonna have my alert at the 90 cent area.
Me too.
I don't want to get in anything earlier before that.
Yeah, see the 30-minute trend on Nvidia?
Yeah.
And 15-minute.
It all lines up at 135.
Yeah, 135.10.
I'm gonna set an alert on Tesla too because this is grinding.
Crowd's looking pretty sick too, but I don't think I. Yeah, look at the chart real quick. Look at the consolidation at the gap.
I was like, man, I just looked at this. It was down bad.
Yeah, no, that's why I came back to look at it, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm not switching though.
Alright, QQQ recovering well now. Contracts are settling, IV.
Meta's no longer a play, which is good.
Yeah.
Replacing Apple.
Oof. Wow, look at that, George.
What?
I'm sure that would have hurt on crowd.
Yeah, I'm not taking it right now. Alright, here we go.
90-cent mark is what we're looking at. I'm gonna look to do same thing there, half size at 90, and then another ad at 35 if I could see that wall chip.
I'm gonna do that too. I'm not going full size here.
Okay, the market's not pushing right now.
You can do half at 90 or 80?
No, half at 90 and half at 35. Same position size as I had before.
And Q with a green candle pushing here too.
Yep.
75 super important here.
NQ still pushing here.
ES is as well.
If Nvidia decides to come up at the same time NQ is still going up too with no pullbacks or anything, I'm just gonna size lighter on this trade. Cause I find it to be riskier taking it that way.
Bro, remember it touched exactly 80 there.
Yeah, I see it. The top of that wick.
Yeah. I had my alert at 85. I'm gonna switch it to 90 though with y'all.
Contract definitely died in value, which is good. Gonna move better if we break.
I got the 134s too. Like I tried the first time I tried them with the 135s, but I'm not. I swapped over to 134s.
Mm-hmm. Tag me, Jared. Yeah, Jared.
Yeah, that looked like it hurt on crowd there.
Yeah, I was just about to bring it back up, bro.
It looked like they just lost half their fucking shit.
Oh
And then they're
man.
not. And then whoever took that probably don't know that they won't be able to use that buying power come Monday.
I might switch to Tesla here.
Yup.
This is consolidating right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch soon. If this pushes any higher over 80 cents, I'm gonna switch. I'm not playing 220 anyways, so I have time to switch. Yeah, I'm switching.
Don't look bad.
I'm looking at Tesla now. I just gotta find these contracts.
What contracts you got pulled on?
I'm gonna find these. Hold up.
Too many 220 calls, no?
Yeah, that's what I have ready right now here.
220, yeah, that's possible.
220, 250s.
Those are both fine.
Oh, here we go. The bid's finally about 220.
You already got a position in, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look to enter around 221 and some change. I'm looking at the 222.50 calls on Tesla, guys. I'd rather be in the money, but it's gonna be too
Oh
far in
my
the money.
god.
Like they went crazy, bro.
I'm
looking at
still
the
in. I'm looking to
220.
sell here soon.
I'm looking at the 220.50 calls, the 222.50 calls, guys. I'm in.
Oh my god.
My fill is 218.
Made 3,600 off of that.
Nice.
218 fill, guys. I'm in the 222.50 calls for Tesla. Half position. I'm gonna look to add the other half at like 222.
What's gonna be your stop on this?
Half position. So I'm gonna let it go here for a second. You're gonna get these crazy pullbacks and pushes here. That's just how it's moving. You don't really have a choice if you want to play this. Look at this.
Someone's Nvidia back at it. It's currently at 75 cents.
So I'm down 20%. A little less now, but down 20% on a half position. So I'm down about 10% on a normal position for a Friday. I'm not worried yet. I don't want to lose more than 25% on this.
Nvidia back. It just touched 90.
Yeah, I'm still on Tesla. I'm down 10% on Tesla.
I just now ended up taking there. So the only problem is pushing with the market. That's the only downside I have on this.
Yeah, I'm probably going to miss it.
But it had a sharp move up too before the market did that. So this trade right here is looking really good. 1 cent off of 135. That wall is still big, around 1 million. Volume's kicking up heavy. 1.4 million on this candle right here. I'm probably just gonna set my alert at 135 in case that gets triggered ASAP, and I'm just gonna look to sell immediately. Because the breakout should be just, oh wow, red to green without the market. I think I have it right here, guys.
Crazy wall.
Yeah. I was like, it actually just got bigger. It's like 1.5 now. I saw like a 600,000 order added, and then they took it away. Still holding the red to green, which is dope. 1 cent away again. Yeah, this is around 1.5 million here for the wall. This is one where Nvidia definitely just, I don't think they can take this out immediately. I think they have to chip at it.
Market's dropping.
Mm-hmm. I think Nvidia got close by like 2 cents. I think I actually saw 98 execute. I didn't see 99 executed. This will probably be my last time trying this though. So if this is my stop, then I'm not trading this anymore. It's doing all the right things, everything. It's been doing it right, and so this is one of those trades where I want to try it a third time, personally.
It rejected right off of it?
Yeah, right at it.
Alright.
I hit my stop, so.
Market's ripping, SPY.
You cut Tesla, Nor?
Nah, I'm about to right here.
I see this 219 hold.
Yeah,
I only lost an additional 200 on that one, 200 to 300 on that one, so I'm still chilling.
What was the entry? 90 cents or 80?
90 cents, yeah.
George, my finger's on the sell button.
Nvidia's pushing again.
Yeah, that trade is all you guys if you guys decide to take it. I'm out for that one.
What, Nvidia?
Yeah, I'm done with it. I mean, Sam, if it does, it's cool. I'm cool with that. This might have to be one of those trades where you actually have to let it hit 135 on the ask, like looking at level 2 and actually watch it get chipped.
I'm out of those, Nor.
Yeah, did you switch over to Nvidia?
Yeah.
It's holding 90 right now.
Damn, SPY just keeps getting ahead though.
$0.05 away right now, Nor. 3.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to take that.
I took a starter here. I might add if I see the wall chip.
It's gonna be such a quick pop though when it gets that break.
Yeah, it's either or here at this point. Either it gets chipped or it just pops instantly.
Oh, it's gonna chip and then rip, but like it's like how long is that candle gonna stay? Yo, it said wow, they added walls
This
at 99.
Yeah, this will be a
Back and
crazy
forth.
breakout if it does break, guys. Like minimum 30 cents plus. For how long this consolidation has been for what at 135.
Says I've never seen a 795 wall on TOS.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's weird. Well, I normally don't look at that shit, but that was wild.
Might be one of those walls where it chips the entire day.
Possible.
Breaks like 5 hours later.
I just don't think the buyers are interested yet. Like heavy, like big buyers. Because I mean, look at the average. Look at the average candle, Maki. It's like almost 1 million per average. And the wall is around 1.5. So.
Yeah.
Now, granted, you can't say like all of that is just buying, right? But
If this doesn't break within 5 to 10 minutes max, I don't think I will. Like I wouldn't expect this to break for a very long time.
Tesla wants downside, huh? You playing downside?
am I playing downside?
It's only $3 away.
I just switched to the chart. Yeah, personally, I think I'm good. I'm trying to be as selective as I can after that Tesla trade. I gave myself some room of margin here. I really do like 215 still, or maybe even that low, but I feel like for me it's exhausted everything at this point. As of now, until we get some sort of consolidation, then I'll probably be more interested, but news at 10 a.m. What was the news? Let me see.
Consumer sentiment.
Ooh, okay.
What did he say?
Consumer sentiment.
Oh, I thought he was talking about SPY.
No, SPY, I got something for it, but we gotta wait a little. Yikes, Nvidia.
Yeah, Nvidia is fucking out of here.
That's definitely one of the. I think that's one of those tougher trades. Unless like you play it super safe and just wait for literally 135 to appear on the ask. Other than that, I think it's a pretty tough trade there.
Yeah, because a Tuesday, Wednesday, you could stay in that trade till whenever.
Literally till right. You can probably even stay. You would probably still be in, honestly.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
On a Friday though, yeah, that's what makes this one really tough.
Hey Zach, why'd you try? Nobody was talking about Netflix. Like we brought it up very slightly. It broke in the first minute, 2 minutes, and you know we weren't gonna take that in the first minute or two, anyways. Gotta be careful with
and
Netflix,
chills.
man.
Serious question: why do we take Nvidia at 135? All right, Bando, you got your chart ready? If he's still here, he is. But the wall, what about the wall? The wall, I could care less about what the size of the wall is. Yes, it's important to some extent, but you have to remember that sometimes those, like I've seen in the past, Tesla old Amazon have major walls like that, and we just crack through them, right? It's not going to be like that in every situation. That's the thing you have to remember, and that's the risk we take
The
along
wall,
with that setup.
the wall is based on average volume. So like, if the average volume on Nvidia candles are 500, 600,000, a million wall is nothing. That's just above
what-
average volume.
That's what you heard me talk about to Maki Bando. Like the wall now is roughly like 1.5 million shares, but if you look at on almost I won't say almost on any candle, but like the average on Nvidia is like roughly 800 to a million shares per candle. So
Yeah, it's not a lot. It really
to
is.
to some extent, it's not that big, but for the size of the level, it is. Just for the average, like Nora just said, it's not much. Pretty normal.
I mean, yeah, it's a lot dollar wise, but like not a lot compared to the already average candle that we're having here. All right, market ripped.
No late reaction there to news, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the wick.
And Bando, I honestly don't mind taking a loss on that because I see the risk to reward on that trade being way better, way bigger than the loss I took. So I have zero problems taking a loss on the video. Because I've seen, like, I've been trading for 4.5 years now, almost 5, and in those types of breakouts, they pay more than you lose on them. Now, granted, if it happens to come back and it breaks and I miss it, then oh well, right? I just know for a fact that I would make more than what I would have lost on that one.
I'm looking at SPY puts. I don't know when it'll happen, but watching puts below 577 on SPY. So
King said, King, every contract or everything we play, the stop is either typed out if you go to the signals tab or set on mic. And it's all recorded. You go to YouTube and watch every video. Every signal we talk about the stop on the mic. Nothing changes. It's either typed or on the mic, either or. Maki's gonna fuck up my play as per usual.
No, that's only if it gets to 577. For now, it's still bullish.
Alright, that's fair. He said no.
You want to
Take
bet
bird, Lucky.
Nvidia? You want to bet Nvidia breaks 135 in wicks?
I got money with you on that one.
That's facts, right?
Uh-huh.
What do
we
you
should
have?
be looking at
pulled up right now?
if anybody wants to look at Nvidia, they should be waiting for a hold above. George, for SPY, I'm looking at puts below 577, and the target's gonna be low day. Stop is 50 cents, so it's about, so you're risking 50 cents or 25 cents a contract. Holy moly! Never mind.
Pablo, that wall is only growing more, bro. 1.7 in size now. That's crazy.
You have that pulled up, Nor?
What?
Nvidia or not?
No.
What are you watching? Tesla still?
Yeah.
It's all-time high there on ES. A little trend on 10 cents there. I think I'm with Maki. I think that's just gonna wick.
What is?
What, Nvidia?
Yeah.
I think wick is temporary. So the bigger target's there. So I don't think it really matters. But if you want to stay in the safe zone, you can just wait for the break.
This is really good screen time though for anybody. Like this is everyone should be here watching this, because this can happen on any stock, not just Nvidia. Not every stock would behave differently, but this kind of gives you an idea into Nvidia breakouts, consolidations, and like a big wall.
Very good orders are coming in on the sell side here. Oh, that's decent.
I think I'm gonna catch around a 50% play soon. If I get the right setup. There's like a 50% potential on that trade.
Oh, my Tesla still upside.
Yeah.
Or would you take it again?
So I mean, I would signal it at 221 again for the half position, 221.20, and then the other half at 222. Target being 225 and then 226.50. Wait, 226.60. Market is ripping, so usually you'd look at this and be like, this doesn't make sense. This has nothing to do with the market, though.
And Nvidia's about to go crazy here. Something crazy about to happen.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm here watching it still.
I'm not gonna touch. I'm not taking nothing on this shit.
Me neither. I'm just watching it like I've been saying.
I need a red candle in the market to see something here.
Yeah, same.
Wow. Okay.
This is something you guys can even paper trade in your head too. Just like imagine where you would be bought at with the contracts and just paper trade it in your head.
Times in sales speeding up on Tesla. So, first half position would be a 221.16. Actually, 221.15. Next half position would be a 222. Before 222.
I want to switch over to Tesla so bad, bro. But I want to see this.
There you go. See, that's a pretty easy trade right there. If you wait for 135, look, see, 30-cent minimum break, guys.
Yeah, 40 cents now.
Not too bad on the contracts. I mean, if you're looking for the scalp, that wasn't too bad. Like 30 cents, 30 to 20 cents.
70, 80 to $1.
Yeah, it depends where you get in on that.
They're gonna wick it down. There's not enough
It's
there.
gonna wait, bro. Watch this.
I think it's gonna wick too.
I think it's a pretty easy trade. Like if you're looking for the scalp though, like I said, I think it's pretty easy to take it there.
Uh-huh.
Because it touched 135, got stuck, time of sales sped up really quickly, and that's when you knew that it was gonna get popped.
Look at the volume on that candle.
4 million, bro.
It had
Plus
more
Plus
than the
4
opening.
million.
I'm telling you,
It had-
1.5 is not a lot on that stock. It's really nothing. Nice. Contracts moving.
Nice. Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Nah, they're moving there for sure.
You're still in them, Frankie?
No. I wish, bro.
I'm still in. I caught it.
I would have made the loss back.
You caught that, Maki?
Yeah, 45% here.
Oh,
Maki's over there telling everybody not to take this trade. It's gonna wick.
Alright, Maki.
Yeah, but bro,
I'll remember
bro,
that.
You should know where my average is. So you know how I can do it.
It's all good. I'm just talking shit.
I didn't get in at 135. That's how I was able to do it.
That's sick though.
Yeah, it's going, still going. I swapped over to Tesla now. That's all I wanted to see there.
That is a sick trade though to get some screen time in though.
What are you looking at? The 220? You have the 220s pulled up or 222.50s, Nor?
Same. Yeah, same. 222.50s.
All right.
Remember, 221.15, even maybe a little lower than that. First entry with the half position on the 222.50s. 'Let's get in there. Tape speeding up without market. $221.15 for entry with 222.50 calls half position. There it goes. There it goes. Maki, you have an algo here or anything?
On Tesla,
Yeah.
so I have nothing. Like the closest level I have is 224.70.
Yeah, mine's 225.
Yeah, I got 224.60 as well.
But Nvidia, I have a decent level for continuation. 135.35. I'm looking to add on Nvidia.
Mine's probably gonna be 220.50 for now. I'm half size with Nor. I don't know if he got in or not.
What?
Did you Tesla? Did you take that or no?
Yeah, I signal.
I think mine's gonna be 220.40 maybe.
My average on that one is $1.86.
The same.
We just don't want big red candles in the market. I could care less what it does. The market. There's no big red candles and I'll be fine. There it goes.
Where'd you say you were wanted to add at?
221.80.
Okay.
This isn't a market play, so I'm not paying attention to the market unless we get big red candles. Contracts did do some numbers there. It went from like 190 quickly to like 215. But I have a small position. It's Friday, so my half position is pretty small. Looking to add around 221.80, and then target will be 222, first target, and then from there I don't have anything till 225. Should be easy going. What are these? $1.80.
Nvidia, I added, and my trailing stop is the prior low.
Nvidia, what is it? Oh, 135.60 right now.
The hold there at 135 was nice, Maki.
Holy crap.
You took Nvidia like before 134.50, right, Maki?
Yeah, somewhere around that 134.60 range.
My stop on this is before 220. There's a trend here.
I got the same stop as well.
I'll send a screenshot. It's its own play here. Not paying attention to the market.
No, Dak. More than likely, I'm going to add with Nor at 221.80. Whatever I add is probably what I'm gonna sell on the nice push of 222, and then hold my original position. Just depend on how the market is moving. I like what it's holding at the moment. It's doing its own thing. Just gotta let the play out. Nah, it's doing its own thing. Right now, we gotta see this just hold against the market. The market looks like it wants to. We'll see. As long as, like North said, as long as it doesn't have big red candles.
You want me to trade?
Here's the stop on Nvidia. I'm sending a picture. That's my trailing stop.
Gonna use 220.20 as my stop.
Yeah, the trend should be higher too by then, so it'll make more sense there. Right now it's before 220. If the trend moves higher, it'll be before the trend breaks. What's the risk to reward? So it's about $1 stop right now, and then at least $2.50 of return is what I'm looking for. So 2.5.
Jared, I sent it. I sent it like 3 times. Just check the pictures I'm sending.
Needs to do it soon. It'd be a crazy move to move to $3. Not really. From the low today, it's only been. From the low today, it's been 6. It hasn't even started. The thing is, I don't want to stick around forever.
Nah, me neither. I'm keeping a close eye here. At the finger on the trigger.
On Tesla, George?
Yeah. Approaching the trend now.
Uh-huh. My stop is before 220 right now.
To bounce here.
If we bounce off the trend, then I'll use below the trend. The rejections are nothing on Tesla today. It's just the fact that it's a Friday that you're gonna think about it. Be like, this is a lot. So that's why you
Yeah.
have to size accordingly.
Yes, it's breaking out again.
Mm-hmm. If Tesla let's go here. It's not. I'm not gonna be playing it again.
Yeah, me neither.
It's gonna happen most likely today, but I'm not gonna be here for it. I put a hard stop now, 220.07. Just gonna put a number on it. 220.07 hard stop. And then I'll hire it as, or if we move higher. $220.07. My hard stop on it.
Nvidia's hanging on to dear life. It's right at the level of my trailing stop. Keeps bouncing there.
I see it on. I have it on top of Tesla, so I see it. Market green or red here. Tesla's still doing its own thing. Tesla's actually having a green candle.
I want to see this above 221.
ASAP Rocky.
Yeah.
There it goes. There's another wall at 221. They don't get tired, huh?
Nuh-uh. They're like, oh, banks are closed Monday. We could put a little extra work here on this Friday. See this hold here.
They're like, how many people can we squeeze out before we rip this shit up to 226?
Bullshit.
Can we fuck everybody who's not sizing correctly on Friday today? Let's fuck all the herbs. Alright, 221.30 basically just hit. Still nothing on my side here. Not looking to add until 221.80.
I'm about to sell Nvidia. $0.25. So like 10 cents away.
Really want to see this bounce here at 80 cents if it does drop below 221. Think you doing?
Breaks by 1 cent on Nvidia. I'm gonna sell. Sold Nvidia.
Tesla needs to fix his posture soon.
Yeah. You haven't moved your stop, right?
No, same thing for me. A dollar higher from here would be 221.50. That's where like all the momentum should come in at. It doesn't. The ad it comes after the momentum spikes in at 221.50. If we can get that trade, so we'll see. Hello? Let me call you right back. Looks like
see
stop is
sellers.
gonna hit soon.
Yeah, I need to see buyers step in soon.
If it wasn't for Friday, that wouldn't be where my stop is at. It's just I don't have a choice.
Bid and ask are still holding above 220 here, but I'm getting ready to stop.
Bro, I was zoomed into Microsoft this whole time. On my other chart, I just see one candle. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
Test 220. It's gonna be a hard stop.
What is it for you?
Next test of 220. Probably if we dip on the bid and the ask below 220, that's gonna be a hard stop now.
Oh.
I didn't stop out there. Did you? No.
No. Damn, AMD just flat off the open, bro. Heartbeat. And crowd just ripping.
I was just about to mention crowd.
I'm just looking at both. George, once I'm out of this, I'm not playing this again.
I mean, completely. No, I'm not playing Nvidia. Nothing. Enjoy the rest of my weekend.
Nvidia is still holding above 135.
The green candles here on Tesla. Market with red candles here, which is good. I would love to see at least ES hold 5660.
$221.50 is where the momentum should come at. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna walk away regardless of where this is at.
Now that we're back above this, I'm probably raising my stop here. Go.
I didn't add yet. I'm gonna add soon, just not yet. How's the volume? Yeah, it's spiked up. Not much though, just double. So I'm gonna add at 90, George.
Okay, I kind of added already. Oh, no way.
You seeing that too? There's no way. Wow.
Oh.
That is crazy,
Hey, that's
bro.
how you show red borders, though. I mean, no red borders.
Wow.
Only way.
It all makes sense now.
I
It
added,
makes
I
sense.
added, I
Um,
added at 90.
I'm sorry. Let's focus. Zone in. Sorry. Oh, man. That was hilarious. Sorry, guys. Sorry. ES is going dumb.
I'm not selling till target hits, but new stop is gonna get added soon. Yeah, new stop is 221.
I got 221.35 at the moment. See how we react around there. I'm up 15% right now,
It
16.
shouldn't really matter. Alright, so once we get above this 45 cent level, there's nothing holding this back for me. I have nothing on my chart. So it's literally no man's land, and I either gotta stick to target or just sell whenever I feel like it. Above 45 cents. Yeah, above 45, a hold above, there's nothing for me there.
As long as the ES and NQ don't do no fucking bullshit like big red candles.
Alright.
Where'd you say you were gonna sell your first piece?
Nothing nearby. Nowhere nearby right now.
Wait, I haven't sold shit.
So the first sell I'll think about at is 223.50. I'm gonna get ready to add again though, one more time.
Alright.
Contracts are $2.40. Market's dropping. Tesla doesn't care. It's not moving with the market. As long as we don't have any red candles, big red candles on market, I could care less what the market does. It's not going to affect Tesla. I'm going to add another piece at 222.90. And then I'm going to sell some at 223.50. I just added. This is my last add. $250 a contract now, it says. 244 I saw. I have nothing until 223.50 and then 225.
Are you raising your stop since you added again or no?
No, not yet. There is no stop. It's literally impossible. If I pulled back the stop, bro, I'm done with Tesla. It'll be before 221 because originally my stop was 221.
It actually broke 223 right there? I didn't even see that.
I saw it. Volume on that candle.
Got another bounce here on 58.60 on ES.
If this wasn't Friday, I would add again at 223. But I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just stick to what I have right now.
Yeah. Whoever doesn't feel comfortable, they can start scaling. So
223 is here, George. 3 cents off.
yeah, I'm up 33% on this. So I'm still holding my full position with Nor.
Do you have an alert set above? Can you set an alert? Yeah, I'll do it.
I got you. Where at?
Right above 223. I just want to make sure this doesn't reject off 223.01 again. That would be something I would exit at least half on if we have an issue there again.
I got one at 223.05.
That's fine. Wall. There he goes, boom. Alright, we need to hold above. As long as it's not sharp, I'm fine with it. Yeah, that's fine. I don't want it to be sharp. Alright, there we go. 223.20. When was you in Tesla? How much you up percentage wise? You can see it. Oh,
40%.
you're up 40%.
That's 40% from original entry, Nor.
Yeah, I see it. I just want to see where they're at.
I'm looking to sell what I added. I only added once here soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell 1/3 at the 50 cent level. It should go parabolic soon. We're a little far from the parabolic level, probably around 75 cents. 74, around that area. But I'm gonna still sell a third soon. I don't want to be in for too long. Market's
Get a red to
dropping.
green.
Still holding up decent. Just no aggressive red candles on the market. Should be still clean. Clean cut.
Got 8 seconds here. What we doing here? Closing above 223. Come on.
It just did. Need 2 more minutes here to hold.
I got an alert here at 223.30 just to see. ES is retrying that 58.60. Just want that to hold.
Yeah, market's dropping aggressively now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just want that to hold there. Buyers been stepping in there this whole time. Just don't want nothing crazy there. But this is doing good right here. What you tell me,
Contract
here?
still holding up at the highs here, 260. I see a contract above 223.20. Alex. I'm looking at George's chart. What is that? 58? Yeah. This trend on the 1 hour is where it's at right now, but we're kind of above it. It just the trend the candle doesn't close for another 14-15 minutes, so that's the tricky part.
Spy blitz
barely.
is coming closer.
Oh man.
Oh man. Alright.
Looking at 579 for next day. 79 puts.
Think my stop is gonna be 221.50 Nor.
All right.
It's not a hard stop, but it's almost.
Watching Spy will mock you right now.
Stop loss is going to be 70 cents away. Should be 60, 70 cents a contract risk. No, wait. Did the math wrong. It'll be 40 cents risk a contract.
You're playing same days?
The next day is 579s.
All right.
When is entry? The entry comes in at a close below 579.
50 cents away.
You say your stop is still not till 221, Nor?
Yeah.
Well, it's getting close. I don't know if it'll happen here because it is a bounce level. But close below 579 is going to be my entry. Getting closer. Like 1 second left, so I have to wait for the next candle. It has to be a close below, so if it breaks 579, I'm not gonna buy puts to actually close below 579. $30 left. Seconds left. And there's like 2 seconds left. I'll take the entry. I'm in SPY puts. The entry on SPY puts, my fill was 197. Stop on this is about 80 cents, give or take. So we're risking about 40 cents a contract, 50 cents a contract. Target's gonna be 57. There's two targets: 578.20, then 577.70. Set those two levels as targets. Stop loss as a number is gonna be 579.90. I'll have an alert at 85 cents. I'll just text it. I'll type it in my tab. Stop loss 579.80. Target 178.20.
I stopped out, Matt. Yeah, I stopped out.
Yo, Mark, I played same days by accident, but I'm gonna roll it over. I was wondering why these so cheap.
Even the next days are doing backflips.
Yeah.
What's target? I sent everything, guys. It's all here. That was 8. I'm in next day contracts. This guy wants to make jokes. Look to add no. Not interested in that. Alright, here it comes. This should be it because we just rejected a kilo. Should see a new low, new local low on this candle.
No, I still have a close eye on Meta. It's not close yet, but I'll be around if that gets close.
$2 away. Yo, Frankie, Meta's not gonna give it to you. That's gonna make you wait here for a long time.
Bouncing, taking its sweet time.
Bro, these lights make my room so hot. God.
Looks like Spy wants to take its sweet time, man. Back to break even here. Again, we're risking about, using Delta, we're risking about 20% here to make 40.